My name is Carly Krowski. I'm the Early Career Specialist here at HellermannTyton, and I'm responsible for our summer intern program. Our interns are located across 4 different locations, 3 here in Milwaukee and 1 in Romeoville, Illinois. Some of the different departments that we have majors within are marketing, engineering, IT, and human resources, just to name a few. On average, we've had close to 15 to 20 interns throughout the last 3 years. With the hope to only keep growing. Our interns are able to get that real world exposure and experience by submersing themselves into the teams that they work with on a daily basis. Along with each intern is given a specific project that they work on throughout the summer as well. Being able to do that, they're able to interact with different people throughout the company and really get a sense of who we are and the culture that we have here at HellermannTyton.
I'm Nicole. I'm in the engineering department as a mechatronics intern, and I'm studying electrical engineering. What I enjoy most here at HellermannTyton and my internship position is the ability to learn. It gives me such a great opportunity to learn things and just learning from all the small things and having such a supportive community.
Throughout the program, I do host a variety of different events that our interns go through, such as networking opportunities, along with fun events and also talent development meetings as well. They're also able to interact with people both inside and outside their department, allowing them to get exposure to our culture, which of course is one of the most important things that we want for them to see and take away from their experience here.
I'm Elliot. I work with marketing and communications, and my major is marketing. I decided that I wanted to come back to HellermannTyton for a second summer because I knew that there was a strong culture here, and I also knew that I would gain valuable experience from the work that I was doing.
Typically, our intern opportunities do become available for recruiting between the months of November and February. When those opportunities are available, they are posted on our career site. So we do offer opportunities for our interns to become full-time employees. In the past, we have extended multiple full-time offers.
Hi, my name is Taylor Fritz, and I'm previously the HR Information Systems intern, and I was recently hired on as the HR associate here at HellermannTyton. When I first started working at HellermannTyton, I was full-time, and then when school started back up, I transitioned to part-time, which has really allowed me to have a work-life balance and focus on school, as well as apply what I'm learning on the job to school and vice versa. I feel that working part-time has really allowed me to have the flexibility that I need, and it shows me that HellermannTyton truly values my educational endeavors.
Hi, I'm Riley Walter, and I'm an application tool development engineer for HellermannTyton North America. There's a lot of things that have kept me on at HellermannTyton, going from an application tool intern to a full-time application tool development engineer. One of the most overwhelming ones is the innovation that happens here. There's always something new, something exciting coming about. We're looking in different markets or areas, and especially in engineering, that allows me to be able to see a lot of different things that I normally wouldn't be able to. In addition to that, the support that we get from HellermannTyton is fantastic. Everyone around here is always willing to help, willing to share answers, information, and it really makes the whole workplace environment that much more comfortable.
After our final presentations take place, we do like to also treat the interns and thank them for all their hard work and contributions by rewarding them with some fun activity. In the past, we've gone to different venues, which offers a different opportunity for them to get to know each other a little bit better, but also celebrate all that they accomplished and achieved during their summer here at HellermannTyton.